Dear students, welcome. This is the first recorded lecture for 9th standard and we are doing 4th chapter of geometry and the name of the chapter is construction of triangles. Okay, chapter 4, the name of the chapter is construction of triangles. Construction of triangles. This is a very simple chapter and so anyone small chapter, we have to construct triangles here. Okay, triangles with different dimensions. Okay, there are types. Here we do type 1. In first type of construction we have to construct a triangle, okay, in which base is given, base, फिर one angle with the base, one angle at the base, and sum of remaining two sides, is given. These are the informations given. Okay, so we have to construct a triangle where base is given, one angle at the base, and sum of remaining two sides of the triangle is given. Okay, now we'll take an example. Okay, as it is given in your textbook. Okay, construct a triangle PQR. Construct, I am writing question, triangle PQR. Okay, so this is the triangle. Now base is QR, in which QR, which is the base, QR is equal to 4.2 centimeter. So base is given, one base is there, so this is the base. Then one angle at the base, measure angle Q, this is the angle with the base, measure angle Q is 40 degree. Now when QR is one side, then what are the remaining two sides? Remaining two sides of the triangle will be PQ and PR, and sum of them. So PQ plus QR is equal to how much? PQ plus QR is equal to the sum of the two sides, remaining two sides is 8.5 centimeter. This is your first question. Okay, now how will you solve this? So first of all, what you have to do is, I will show you, just you have to be ready with scale, pencil, protractor and the compass. Okay, so students, what is this type of construction? Here we have to construct a triangle where base of the triangle is given, one angle at the base is given, and sum of remaining two sides. So you have to remember the type. Okay, practice set 4.1 is completely based on this type. Practice set 4.1, okay, is based on this type. Now first of all we will construct the base of the triangle. What is the base of the triangle? QR, and it is how much? 4.2 centimeter. So you should be ready with the four instruments you need. One, you need scale, okay, plastic scale. Second one, a sharp pencil. Third one, you need a compass, and fourth one, you need a protractor always. Understand? So if you have this thing ready, okay, we will start the construction. So first of all we will draw the base, okay, of 4 centimeter. You can see 4.2 centimeter base QR. So how to do it? So this is 0 and this is 4, so 4.2, 2 millimeter ahead of this. So first I have to mark the dots. Okay, these dots I have marked, so that will give me accurate measurement. Now I will join these two dots. So this is the base QR. We will name it base QR. Okay, QR. Okay, so this base is drawn. Now angle Q is 40 degree. So I need a protractor. Okay, I need a protractor. So I will have to keep the protractor, yeah, this way at point Q, because angle is at Q and it is 40 degree angle. So I will place the protractor exactly on line segment QR, and 40 degrees. See here, there are two measurement, one starting below and other starting above. Now because ray QR goes in this side, we have to prefer 0 of that side. So this is 0, then 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree. So this is 40 degree, not 140 degree. This is 40 degree because the QR ray goes this side. So 10, 20, 30, 40 degree angle I marked. Angle Q is 40 degree. Okay, after marking this dot, I have to just leave it, and then I have to take the scale, and then I will have to draw the angle Q of 40 degree. I will extend this ray. I have to extend this ray as much as I can. Okay, I have to extend it as much as I can. Now, after drawing ray and the base, I have to write that this is 40 degree, and this QR is 4.2 centimeter. 4.2 centimeter. Even if you write this measurement later, it will be fine. Now we have to take the compass. Sum of PQ and QR is 8.5 centimeter. So what we have to do is, on the scale, with the help of this pair of compass, we have to take the length 8.5 centimeter fully. What I will do is, I will keep the point of the compass exactly at 0, and I will stretch this. I will stretch this till 8.5. Okay, where is 8.5? Here you can see 8.5. Okay, so I will take the measurement this way, exactly 8.5. Okay, yeah, so this is the measurement 8.5. And then what I will do is, I will remove the scale, and from point Q, see where I have placed at point Q, I have to place the compass at point Q. I have to cut an arc. I have to cut an arc of 8.2 centimeter here. Okay, and when the arc is cut, I get a point of intersection. Here I get a point, and this is any other point, say point D. It is point D. It is none of the points PQR, it is point D. Then what I will be doing is, I will connect this point D with point R. Okay, I have to draw this segment DR. Now this is not our triangle, we need triangle PQR. Now what is the next step? Next step is, I have to draw the perpendicular bisector of segment DR. How to draw the perpendicular bisector of segment DR? So I will have to keep the compass at point R. Okay, at point R, I will keep the compass at point R, you can see. Okay, and then I will take the distance more than half of the segment DR. See, I have kept it here, more than half of segment DR I took the distance. And then what I will do, I will cut the arcs. Where I will cut the arcs, see very carefully where I will cut the arcs. I will cut the arcs, 1 minute. Okay, one on this side, another on the opposite side. Now actually there is some lack of space here. Okay, I will have to draw the arc. Now I will have to just, I will have to just shift this triangle to this side. So okay, I will not have the difficulty. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Okay students, so I have drawn the triangle again. Actually there was lack of space here. Now again, first I drew base QR 4.2 centimeter. Then at Q I kept the protractor and drew the angle of 40 degree. And then I extended this ray. Okay, then on this ray, I took a measure of 8.5 centimeter with the help of compass, and intersected an arc here. This point of intersection is point D. Now what to do? I told you that we have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment DR. How to draw perpendicular bisector of segment DR? So I have to keep the compass at point R. Then I have to take distance more than half of segment DR. See, more than half of segment DR I took. Then I will cut one arc here and another arc on the opposite side here. Okay, like this. So two arcs I have to cut, one here, another here. Okay, I have to cut these arcs, keeping the compass at point R. Now without changing the measurement of the arc, I have to keep the arc at point, compass at point D, and cut the previous two arc. One arc is here, another arc will be intersecting the another arc which I have drawn. Okay, so from point D I have to cut the another arc. Okay, you can see another arc I am drawing. Okay, so after the two arcs are drawn, okay, what I will see is, I will see that we can join the points of intersection. Like this is one point of intersection and this is another point of intersection. Okay, so I have to keep the scale properly, and then I will have to draw the perpendicular bisector. This line I am drawing is called as perpendicular bisector. This line is called as perpendicular bisector. Okay, of which segment? segment DR. Why? Because it is perpendicular to segment DR and it bisects the segment DR into two equal parts. So we have to put this type of marking. Now wherever this line, this perpendicular bisector cuts the ray QD, okay, that point is named as point P. That point is named as point P, and that point P we have to join with R. Okay, this point P we have to join with R, and this will give us the triangle PQR. Why? Because we have studied the perpendicular bisector theorem earlier in the last lecture, that perpendicular, any point on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant. So this PR and PD, they are equal in length. So now QP plus PD, we know that it is 8.5 centimeter, QP plus PD, but PD is congruent to PR. So QP plus PR, sum of these two sides is also 8.5 centimeter. So this is the first type of like construction in 4.1. Entire exercise 4.1 is based on this type of construction. Okay, we shall now do the second sum. I am writing the second sum.